Why do small to medium-sized YouTube creators struggle to create engaging thumbnails? For many, it's a daily battle. They spend hours designing thumbnails only to feel frustrated with the results. Lower click-through rates mean fewer views, and that leads to less growth on their channels. It's disheartening to see hard work go unnoticed. They know thumbnails are crucial, but they're stuck in a cycle of trial and error. Wasting time and energy, they feel discouraged and overwhelmed. The real problem? It's not just a lack of time. Many creators aren't graphic designers. They don't have the skills to make eye-catching thumbnails, and relying on manual design tools is slow. This uncertainty about what works with the algorithm only adds to the frustration. Common solutions often fail. They don't address the real root cause. Trying to learn design skills takes too long, and using stock images can lead to mediocre results. But there's a better way. Imagine generating dozens of high-converting thumbnails in just minutes. Clickly AI uses advanced technology to create stunning thumbnails based on your video title. Creators like Sarah saw a 50% increase in click-through rates in just 1 week. With Clickly AI, it's simple. Just input your video title and description and let the AI do the work. No design skills needed, no wasted time. Just fast, professional results. Imagine the boost in views and subscribers. Feel the excitement of seeing your channel grow. With eye-catching thumbnails, creators can stand out. They'll attract the right audience and monetize faster. Click below to discover how we boost click-through rates and channel growth with Clickly AI, the ultimate thumbnail solution.